Gerald Lucas here with another installment of Ask Gerald, where you get your real estate questions answered. Today's question comes from Patricia, and Patricia writes from North Bergen, New Jersey. And Patricia writes, I'm buying a home after years of renting. What are the new expenses I need to be concerned about? Well, that's a good question, Patricia, and as you may know, I'm a big proponent of home ownership, real estate ownership. But when you own a home, when you buy a home or a property, you take on expenses that you don't have when you rent. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give you the three most overlooked home expenses. The first one being property taxes. So property taxes can be a big financial burden even after you pay off your mortgage loan. And remember, your bank doesn't determine your property taxes. The city, town, or municipality that you live in does. So when you get your monthly estimate from your bank or your mortgage broker, it may not include property taxes, so you want to make sure that you account and budget for that. Now, there are many benefits to real estate ownership that I've talked about in other videos, but that also brings with it responsibilities. So you've got to maintain a property in order to retain its highest value. So the second most overlooked expense is property maintenance. So you want to make sure that you put money aside to maintain your property. And again, if your property is newly constructed or newly renovated, you won't have to put as much money aside as you would if your property hasn't been renovated in quite a while and there's a lot more deferred maintenance. So you want to make sure that you do that. Personal liability is also something that people often overlook when they're buying a property. So if someone slips and falls in front of your property, you could be personally sued. There's also a risk of flood, fire, or natural disaster. So insurance is the third most overlooked real estate expense. And you want to make sure that both you and your property are adequately insured to protect your investment. So thanks for your question, Patricia. Good luck. For more real estate tips and information, visit performanceproperty.com. I'm Gerald Lucas, and I'll see you again soon.